15, 13, 12, 11, 10. We have go for main engine start.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
Bonjour tout le monde.
Herzliche Grüße an alle.
تحياتنا للأصدقاء في النجوم.
Shalom.
Hartelijke groeten aan iedereen.
On day 546, March 5th, 1979, Voyager 1 performs its historic flyby of Jupiter. In November of the following year, it is Saturn's turn to witness humanity's most famous spacecraft passing close to its majestic rings. On February 14, 1990, from a distance of 3.7 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 1 turns its camera toward our planet for the last time, captures the famous photograph, and shuts its camera down just 34 minutes later, and never uses it again. On day 17,805, exactly 48 years, 9 months, and 1 day after launch, which happens to be today, the day this video is being produced, Voyager 1 is approximately 15.8 billion miles from Earth. "40,000 years later, Voyager 1 makes its closest known approach to the star Gliese 445. By then, humanity will no longer be the same, and perhaps Earth won't be either. It is astonishing to think that none of us will ever witness this encounter. "300,000 years later, our favorite spacecraft passes near the star TYC 3135521, coming within less than 1 light year of it. "570,000 years later, our favorite probe passes near the star GJ686. Likely already heavily damaged by cosmic radiation and countless impacts from interstellar debris. Now traveling through the direction of the constellation Ophiuchus, Voyager 1 has traveled more than 50 light-years. Beyond this point, predicting its exact trajectory becomes nearly impossible. But if it survives, what might come next? "10 million years after launch, Voyager 1 will have traveled more than 550 light-years. Regions of the galaxy never before seen from this perspective may unfold before the spacecraft. "100 million years after launch, the probe will have traveled more than 5,000 light-years. In one possible future, Voyager 1 passes through a region near the Eagle Nebula, located in the constellation Serpens, neighboring Ophiuchus, the region of the sky toward which the spacecraft is traveling. "3 billion years later, the Andromeda Galaxy is now drawing dangerously close to our Milky Way, on a collision course billions of years in the making. Voyager 1 may witness a moment long anticipated, yet forever unseen by humanity. "4 billion years after launch, Voyager 1 witnesses the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda. The view is almost beyond comprehension. But something happened here. Our tiny spacecraft was ejected from its home galaxy. 1 trillion years after launch, and after hundreds of billions of years wandering through intergalactic space, Voyager 1 is gravitationally captured by a nearby galaxy. Slowly descending toward its central black hole. It is important to remember that this is purely speculative. But what if?